What's up, guys? Your boy Kissing. I'm here with.
Okay, Zana.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Happy New Year, guys. 2024.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So today we're reacting to Master H featuring Voltz JT Dhanzi. I feel like this is the first song and first collab in Zim. Because I want to go to New Age to go to
yeah. It's a new song. I don't know. To be honest, I'm just Chicha Buddha.
Yeah,
but it's a new song.
Yeah. Doesn't expected this collab.
Yeah. This is Voltz JT. I think this year. And last year he was quiet. To be honest.
Yeah, he was.
Last year he was quiet. So this year I'm expecting something. It either is gonna be dropping a lot of singles, kind of
feature one,
kind of Buddha EP or Bama. Shibatu. Because I got something this year. To be honest,
I'm going to something.
I'm betting on it.
Is my fans or my fans are Jima.
I'm willing to bet on it because I'm going to find it as something.
It's been your way,
yeah.
My feature.
Yeah.
So this year, make sure you drop out on Voltz. Make sure. So without further ado, let's get straight into the song. Like, share, subscribe to my boys channel. Don't forget to comment, vibes. Yes sir.
What's giddy?
It's gonna be a lot in the name of Jesus. In the name of Judas.
Nawanadem. Also, I never actually got the actual meaning.
Nawanadem.
Nawanadem. Nawanadem.
Because it's stage Nawanadem. Oh, angel of war.
But it's doing it already.
Nawanadem. Nawanadem. Oh,
because.
Comment down below, guys.
Can I just please in because Nawanadem song at least 10 times already.
Nawanadem.
In that is
Nawanadem.
Nawanadem.
Faisa Dhanzi. Song.
Yeah.
Song.
Karasia takachanza nawanadem. Karasia makaganza nawanadem. Kana wakaganza nawanadem. Tukashuri wakuzunyatsa nawanadem. Inonzi take over Tanzania. Utsara game. Mazamani makamona rekeni chifunduza maganzi. My plans manyama chifunduke machance.
Yeah. Nabuzo this year. This year I'm willing to put money. I'm willing to put money that this year take over.
This is crazy, man.
Anzi, I'm rekeni chivundutsa gani.
Nawanadem. Rekeni mtara chivundutsa gani.
Anzi wambo kwata kutra chance. Ameno. Nawanadem. Ayo.
This is aninda kutungura Nawanadem. Crazy.
Kutudara every sentence Nawanadem.
Kuti uzandifundutsire Nawanadem.
Alright.
But I don't know sasa.
Alright. Koza itaora kundakata kumbira mari yake.
Poba but hama Nawanadem. Yes sir.
dance nawanadem. Nawaisa, sinondapiwa kuwanda kutoboshanisa chance nawanadem. Zosa ndikuda maranzi nawanadem. Kuruteni ndoda mapounds nawanadem. Ndikuda kuremera maraundi nawanadem. Zimasi auyene sounds nawanadem.
Vanozoti iyi song iyi handilunge pera. Song ikaperformwa live ke.
Yeah, because beat because it sounds like a
Also
it sounds like it on a live band.
Also big. Was kid.
Yeah, it sounds because
it's a live band.
It sounds like yakato my drama akato record.
Exactly. Song iyi ke ikaperformwa live. Akatsika ke speaker ngoma. I'm telling you.
Aiwa ane live band umashoe kwake. So nginotoda live band umashoe kwake.
Kuti rinyazo
But aina so ngaisuzonakira kusvika ndaziva kuti nawanadem zvoriwe.
Aiwa kantusecha. Mira tiudzu.
Because every sentence rungonzi nawanadem.
Nawanadem. Oh. No fives. Alright. Yes sir. Yes sir, nawanadem.
Sounds nawanadem. This is the good piece nawanadem. Jinu seduza kutkisa nawanadem. Town namabeba kunditisa nawanadem. General baku piece nawanadem. Nawanadem kubandi timwetemera chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Sinunda kuwangura kutombo faisa chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Nawanadem kubandi timwetemera chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Sinunda kuwangura kutombo faisa chance nawanadem. Arabebia kumbaina nawanadem. Kana manu varkuchaina nawanadem. Tola pirule pato kusaina nawanadem. Kana tinuza kumpanya nawanadem. Ikaimana munaina nawanadem. Manu wabizibisa nawanadem. Zimbabwe bisa nawanadem.
I wish to see the lyrics of this song. Ndimoyazoerenga mawanadem mangani.
Ndanzwa kana 100 at this point. 2 minutes in, I've heard
every line.
2 minutes
of
in,
the
I've
song
heard
is-
nawanadem 100 times.
And I feel like nawanadem no full stopping. Also no. It's
Nawanadem.
representing full stop. Nawanadem. You see at the end.
Because now it makes it seem nawanadem ndo ka, you know,
Baje.
ka nami ka what is it?
Oh.
Nami
Nah.
huh? Ka, you get me.
You get me, yeah.
You get me.
So Taura.
Every sentence you get me. Nawanadem. I don't know.
It is what it is, but this one is free jump. Jump. Nawanadem. Yes, sir.
Nabilibisa nawanadem. Nawanadem kubandi timwetemera chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Sinunda kuwangura kutombo faisa chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Nawanadem kubandi timwetemera chance nawanadem. Nawanadem. Sinunda kuwangura kutombo faisa chance nawanadem.
That's little boy. That's little no one that they
Nah, but I'll give credit to Master H. This sounds like
Aiwa.
it sounds like an OG zimdancehall song.
Exactly, yeah.
It sounds like an OG zimdancehall song. I'll give credit.
You know, I feel like Master H I'll go to zimdancehall yeah member tianyara.
Yeah, I'll give credit to him. Kuti it's staying consistent. It's staying consistent. Even though I didn't know what half of this song meant, but it's yeah. And Voltz did not disappoint as usual.
To say no one and him.
Voltz did not disappoint. Our name a short item.
Why is it?
But it was still fire though.
And Zirekinji.
Reckon I volunteer in the magana. May I end a neighbor?
But you again no from Duzirakan. It's opposite.
But it reckon something gun. Reckon Visas gun.
No, 5 years. Reckon good. Okada is so used to. Yeah.
Reckon it you win.
No one and them. So yeah, that's it for the reaction video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe. So to my boys, you know. Yes, sir. No one and